Where are you going? You gonna climb in that chair? No, probably not. Hey, can you come tell me something? Cara, can you come tell me something? Let's not bite the chair. Hey. Oh, yeah, go tell Jersey. Shh.
Baby.
What about the baby? Come tell the baby, what sound does a horse make?
Nay.
Neigh. Can you, oh, that was a bonk. Can you come tell the baby what sound a sheep says?
Ba.
Bah. Can you tell the baby what sound an owl makes? No, what's an owl say? Ooh. Can you tell the baby what sound does a duck say? Quack, quack. Good job. Can you tell the baby what sound does a dog make? Good job. What about a cow? Good job. Okay, say hi, baby. And say bye-bye, baby. Can you say bye-bye? You try.
Bye.
Bye. Okay. And bonk.